हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू एसएन इंजीनियरिंग। मैं हूँ श्रुति और आज की वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज में हम टॉपिक कवर करेंगे स्टोरेज क्लासेस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। व्हाट आर स्टोरेज क्लासेस? Storage classes are defined by 4 points. One is scope, second is lifetime, third is default initial value, fourth is location. Scope means where the variable is accessible. Lifetime is how long the variable exists. Default initial value, whatever we will define, and location means where it will be stored, memory kind of. So this was all about storage classes, points that are bifurcated. Now here is the whole table. There are total 4 types of storage classes: auto, register, static and external. Scope of auto is always local. Lifetime means till the function exists, auto will exist. Default value will be always garbage and location is RAM. Then comes register. The scope will be local. Lifetime is function or till the block. Default value is garbage and location is CPU register. Static, always scope will be local. Lifetime will be till the entire program. Default value always will be 0 only. Location is RAM. And last one is external. The scope is global. Lifetime is entire program. Default value depends upon the user and program, and location is RAM, which is shared. Now we'll see one program which covers all the storage classes. Here G is global variable, data type is integer and the value 5 is assigned. Here we have made one function. We have taken auto int a where we have assigned one value, then register storage class R where 2 is assigned, static S 0 is assigned, external int G where G we have already defined as global variable and we have assigned 5 as a value. Now we have increment S, that is static plus plus. So printf auto register static external. Auto will be A, register is R, S and G. Okay. Now we are calling main function and then we have type 2 times show, so it will give output 2 times. Auto value will remain same only, that is 1 only. Register value will also remain 2 only. Static value will be incremented. First it was 0, but 0 will not be printed. It will start with 1. Then second time it will give 2. And external always it will be 5 only as it is globally defined. This was all about storage classes. In exam, you just need to memorize this table and you need to just write this small program. So it will be quickly remembered by you. This was all about storage classes. Thank you.